I'd like to tell you the story of my paint colours. This is Aubusson Blue. Aubusson Blue comes from a colour, a pigment, called Prussian Blue. This is from a book I wrote in the year 2000, and it was all about paint and pigments and making lots of paints. So these were the blues, and there we have Prussian Blue. So this blue is sometimes called Berlin Blue, or sometimes it's called Prussian Blue. But when I made the paint, I decided to call it after these beautiful tapestries. These are called Aubusson tapestries, hence the name Aubusson Blue. So look at there, you see this beautiful colour, slightly green, and when you add white to it, it's got this lovely, soft, slightly greeny blue. If you look at any old Georgian house, traditionally they would have probably, the very rich ones, would have that beautiful blue-green colour on the walls. It's a really deep blue and very, very classic. There it is there, absolutely gorgeous. If you add a little bit of white to it, you get this lovely soft, quite a cool bluey green. Lots of different ways. What's so wonderful about this colour is it will go with so much. Because it's so deep and dark and quite cool, you can add lots of other colours with it. So this is my colour triangle, and you'll see Aubusson Blue is down here. The complementary colour or the opposite colour are these, the oranges and all of these colours. So you can do paprika, Scandi pink, Antoinette is gorgeous, primer red, or en fleur. And they will all make good partners for Aubusson Blue. You'll just find it a very, very useful colour. And that's the story of Aubusson Blue.